Hey neighbor, BigBenThiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to North Kildonan. That's right, we're in the heart of North Kildonan here. We've got a built in 2014 condo, but let's talk about the area. We've got easy accessibility to get around. We've got public transportation right out the door. We've got a cafe right across the street, shopping nearby, all levels of schools, parks, all in walking distance. But let's talk about it right behind me here. 293 Edison Avenue. We've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo built in 2014, so it's almost brand new. And it's over 1,000 square feet. Nice high ceilings, beautiful finishes throughout. We've got covered parking. Let's go check it out. Wow, we've got a fantastic covered parking space. We've got additional storage down there. And check out this sweet balcony we've got. It's very private, very relaxing. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 293 Edison. If you or anyone you know has any question about this property, maybe like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Hey neighbor, BigBenThiessen. You're not like zooming out so they can see me in shorts like a little boy, are you?
Of course.
Oh yeah, no, I appreciate that.